contacted me.
I could go for churros and like ice cream with Hershey, like hot Hershey syrup. Bless you.
Bless you. It sounded painful.
What do you see?
I want broccoli salad too.
Whoa,
for some
that
reason.
one hit me in the face.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It did get you though.
Ew!
Oh my
Oh
god!
my god. Oh.
It's true.
Don't wipe it on your face. Don't wipe.
Oh god.
What are you gonna wipe it on?
Ew, is this real right now?
Do you like fish? Oh god! Are you joking? That really hit me in the forehead.
Show with
did
the
not.
kids.
God, what is going on?
Oh my god. It's
You
such
got
a
him, dude.
horrible
You
thing.
got caught in the crossfire.
This
What are
girl's
you
gonna-
doing? Please don't. Oh! Wipe it between my legs. No big deal.
Wipe it between my legs, it's no big deal.
Wipe
my
it between
Oh,
my legs,
God,
no
did that
big
really
deal.
just
Don't do
happen?
that.
Is that seriously?
Jesus
Lori,
Christ.
stop sneezing!
Somebody called the police because
I
you're
was like,
sneezing
wipe it
too
between
loud.
my legs.
I'm so sorry.
She's like, no, wipe
I,
it between my
I
legs.
snotted a fat horseshoe on my arm and I had to get it off. Oh my god!
Oh, jeez, that
It's
really
okay, I'm not sneezing.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, you're fucking
You're gonna explode.
Bridget, that's called sneezing.
Okay.
That's like the next step
I'm
to like
gonna wait till the
exploding.
camera's on me because I don't want to.
There it goes!
Oh,
Shut up.
God.
I'm sorry, it's funny.
Oh,
I'm
he's
looking at
sitting
it.
on me. Hello.
Hello.
Hello!
Oh, God.
Hello!
You're so happy. You want to sit on the couch?
Do you like
Couch.
fish? I like fish. Do you like snot? No.
Ow, your ass is in my foot.
Your foot's in my ass! Do you like phlegm on your foot? I don't like it when you talk like
What
that.
is in my asshole?
Take some
Stop it.
phlegm. I want some phlegm.
Yeah,
No, she's
it
zeroing in
Oh,
on stuff.
God.
I saw it come out.
That wasn't supposed to happen. Can we go sit outside now?
That was supposed to happen.
It smells. Do you guys smell that? It smells phlegmy.
She farted while she was sneezing.
You farted and snot.
I gotta go
Can we go outside, please?
I didn't fart.
Wait, you farted snot.
Thank
I didn't
you.
You
fart.
farted out of your mouth.
You didn't fart. You farted out of your mouth. That's an impossibility.